everyone. Thanks for joining again. Yes, we are back. We're cooking with Gwen Taylor, cooking with pumpkin. Here I am just to show you a small meal, maybe 30 minutes or less, cooking with pumpkin. Yes, but it's not just for the wives. No, it's not just for the husbands, but I'm here for everyone, just to get you up and let you know that you can do it. I believe in you, so let's get up and cook. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. I love y'all, so let's cook. It's time, cooking with pumpkin. Come on in, come on in. Let's have a little something to show you today, and I hope it'll help someone. So how's everyone doing? Did you have a good week? It's almost Christmas, a season of Christ and giving and just jolly times, and the virus is still out there, but we're being safe. We're washing our hands, we're wearing our masks, and this what I'm going to show you today is something I did at the beginning, way when we first started in 2020. And so I'm gonna put a little twist to it. It's the potatoes and sausages. This is really easy, y'all. This is really a quick meal. This is not a long pot. You know, I'm always trying to find something easy for you. So today, we're going to add shrimp. Yes, shrimp. You could add corn, you could add shrimp, you could add, it's almost like the Buford stew, but it's just like 3 ingredients. You know, before I showed you the potatoes and the sausage. So today I'm going to show you the potatoes, the sausage, and the shrimp. Yes, so do you. If you can't do shrimp, okay, just do the potatoes and the sausages. If you can't do, okay, so I did onions. I have the onions, I have the multicolored, the green, the yellow, the orange, the red. Let me see if I can show it to you. So I cut my potatoes up. And here, this is how it looks. So I have it in boiling. But you know what? You can roast your potatoes. You can cut your potatoes up, and you can put it on a pan and just and put it in the oven and roast them. But you know, the roasting takes a little longer, and so I wanted to boil them real quick and show you how you do your potatoes. And you know, if you don't like the onions and the peppers, don't put them in there. Do you season it up like how you want it? I put some pepper and salt, just a little bit of salt. You know, I don't do a lot of salt, so I did a little pepper, salt, and I did my seasonal. So I added those, and I started them maybe about 10 minutes before we got started. So they'll be ready. I'll show you before we get started. So I'm going to show you, I have my sausages ready. These are my sausages, and I'm putting cooking my sausages in air fryer. So this air fryer, see how they look? Just some smoked sausages. That's how my smoked sausages look. It's just me and my husband, so you don't want none, do you? Oh, okay. So I'm getting my sausages ready. You can cut your sausages up. You can fry your sausages if you want to. You can, but I'm using the air fryer. Put your sausages in the air fryer, and it works just fine. Or you can, sometimes I put my sausages in the oven. Yeah, let them bake in the oven. So I'm gonna get I have some shrimp, just a few large shrimp. So I seasoned them up. I put some Old Bay on them, and I did some pepper and seasoned salt, and I did some roasted garlic herbs. So this is how my shrimp look. Just a few of them. So I'm going to add them to the frying pan and saute them with some olive oil. And I have my frying pan on. So wait till your frying pan gets hot. So think it's hot, yeah. So I'm just let it saute for a few minutes. And then what I did with my potatoes, cook your potatoes in cold water. If you cook them in cold water, it'll cook evenly. It will, you know, it's because, you know, sometimes if you do the hot water, then the ones on the bottom are cooked already. But if you cook them in cold water, they'll cook, all of them will be cooked at the same time. Yeah. Just a little tip for you. So the potatoes are getting together. The sausages are about ready. As soon as the potatoes get ready, and the shrimp. The shrimp is going to only take a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes on each side, and then they'll be ready. If you want to boil your shrimp, you could boil your shrimp. Hey, like I said, do you. I promise you this potatoes and the sausages and the shrimp is going to be a stomach full. Is everyone about ready for Christmas? You ready for the holiday? I know some of you are getting together this year. Some of you haven't seen your family all year, but Christmas time you plan on getting together. Just continue to be safe and continue to wear your mask and continue to wash your hands. So that's so. I thought I started this early so it wouldn't take so long, but it won't. They should be ready in a few minutes. And that's going to be potatoes, the sausages. Y'all, I really don't do the animals in the kitchen, but my camera person have a new furry animal, and she is on my feet. But I promise you, she will not be on my cabinet, okay? So I have a new furry grandchild, and her name is Macy. So y'all meet Macy. Show them Macy. That's Macy. Macy is 9 weeks old, so she had to come with the camera lady. So that's our little Macy, and she's trained. So I guess I'll be babysitting sometimes. That's Macy. So here it is. So we're gonna do a shrimp. See how the shrimp is almost ready. Macy is supposed to be on her little blanket, but Macy is investigating to see what's going on, see if anything crumbs on that floor, I bet. That's what she's looking to see, if anything was dropped on the floor. So here's the shrimp. Shrimp is almost ready. See how it looks? So that's just a few shrimp, 3 a piece. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's it. I mean, because you have the potatoes, you have the sausages, and that's going to be ready in a few minutes. The potatoes are going to be ready in a few minutes. The sausages are ready. Look at the sausages. So I had the sausages cooking. Look how they look. They are like roasted, and that's in the air fryer. That's some smoked sausages. You can do your beef sausages. You can do your turkey sausages. That's just a few. Like I said, it's just me and my husband, so we don't have a whole lot to, do. Don't have to cook a whole lot. So that's the shrimp. The shrimp is almost ready. I'm about to take that out, and then I'm gonna show you what I'll do. Real easy. See, the shrimp is on. Don't take no time. These are larger shrimp than we normally eat, but they're about ready. Few minutes, because the longer you cook your shrimp, if you cook your shrimp too long, it gets tough. You ever had shrimp and they're real tough? That's because you overcook them. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Just a few minutes, like 5 minutes, and the shrimp will be ready. Let's see how the potatoes are doing. Let's see. So I guess I can be singing, and this is a song that I sung before, and this is one of my favorite songs. And I know at church when we would have devotion, they would know I would come up sometimes and say, just keep on praying, the Lord is nigh. Just keep on praying, He'll hear your cry. The Lord has promised, and His word is true. Just keep on praying, He'll answer you. Just keep on praying, the Lord is nigh. Just keep on praying, He'll hear your cry. The Lord has promised, and His word is true. Just keep on praying, He'll answer you. Y'all remember that song? That's an oldie. That's an old devotional song. Just keep on praying. Keep on praying, y'all. Don't give up. The Lord is not. So that's my shrimp. My shrimp is ready. My sausages are ready. Now I'm waiting on the potatoes. Y'all, I am so hot. My husband, with that heat, has that heat. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. It is so hot. I feel the water. Oh. But I'm going to make it through this. I'm going to make it through this. I feel as though I'm going to have a long winter. Oh, God. He just knows when it's cold. He loves heat. So my potatoes are ready. I'm not going to complain about my husband. Okay, the potatoes are ready. Potatoes are ready. See how that fork just went through it? It's ready. So I'm going to drain my potatoes. Drain my potatoes. potatoes here. And so I have the peppers and the onions, and I'm going to put some more olive oil in the frying pan. And I'm going to like saute it. So these potatoes will be like roasted. I call them, this is the pan fried roasted potatoes. So you put, look how that looks. Ooh, see those onions, and those bell peppers. See that? See that? And I had some of those small potatoes. And I said, oh, let me use these before they go bad, because they're about to go bad. So I have some roasted garlic herbs. I'm putting some roasted garlic herbs on there. Ha ha! Oh God, this is gonna be good. Roasted garlic, and I'm going to add a little bit of my seasoning oil. That's, you know, but whatever seasoning you like, do you. Your seasoning, your favorite seasoning. You like, you might want it to be real spicy. And I did some Old Bay on my shrimp. Yeah. So there it is. So we're just gonna let that saute for a few minutes, and just like that, it's gonna be ready. And this is just a one pan meal here. Let it saute, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Y'all remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. If you've learned anything from me, share it with your family, share it with your friends. Let them see that they can cook also. Let them know that I believe in them. Let them know that they can do it. Do you. Just throw some stuff in there and have a meal. Don't get home and trying to figure out what you're going to eat. I'm showing you how to do some potatoes. If you have some potatoes, if you have some sausages, throw it all together and make a meal out of it. Okay, so my potatoes, this is the potatoes. Look at that. See how they're roasting? How they're sauteing the onions and the bell peppers. So, you know, I remember the first time I did, some people said, oh, I don't like onions. So you don't have to do onions, but whatever seasoning you like. So what we're going to do, let me turn it up. So that's the potatoes. Because, you know, they're cooked already, so they're almost ready. But we just like roasting them. You can put them in your oven and roast them in your oven. Just layer your pan. You maybe put some, if you want to put some parsley paper down, and maybe add some pan. Spray your pan and put your potatoes down, and then season them up. And then I would spray some more spray on the top of it, and let it cook in the oven. And then you can put the potatoes in there, the sausages, all of it you can put in the oven at the same time. So now I'm going to add my sausages. I'm going to add my shrimp. Just keep on praying, the Lord is nigh. Just keep on praying, He'll hear your cry. The Lord has promised, and His word is true. Just keep on praying, He'll answer you. Early in the morning, the Lord is nigh. So early in the morning, He'll hear your cry. The Lord has promised, and His word is true. Just keep on praying. He'll answer you. He'll answer you. He will answer you. Okay. So here's my sausages. I'm going to add my sausages. Adding my sausages, just like that. You see how easy that is? Just you can put your potatoes and your sausages in your air fryer. And I'm going to add my shrimp. So if you have more shrimp than that, I can, you know, it'll be good. But there it is. Oop, there it is. Just like that. Sausages, potatoes, And you can add chicken. You can add chicken to this. You can add probably beef, maybe some beef strips to this, and that's it. That's so easy. So we're gonna add our shrimp. I have 3 of them for me. Where's my other one? There goes my other one. So 3 for me. Oh, I hope Macy don't see that. 3 for me. I just dropped a potato. So there it goes. See? That's the potatoes. Better get it because Macy see that. That might not be good for him. And there it is. So that's the potatoes, the sausages, and the shrimp. Doesn't that look good? So you know, like I said, you can do you on it whatever you want to add to your Gullah. I call it my Gullah dish. So that's potatoes, sausages, and like if you want to do chicken, if you don't want to do any meat, just the potatoes and the sausages. So God, we thank you for this food. Thank you for these potatoes and the shrimp and the sausages. Wasn't that quick and that was easy? Of course, I cut them up early and I started them a little early because I don't want to keep you all day. If you're like me, I don't want to be watching somebody cook all day. I want the fast and easy, simple stuff. So here it goes. Woo! I'm excited. Are you excited? Try it. So I have a piece of potato, I have a piece of shrimp, and I have a piece of sausage. My potato fell off. Hey, God. It's hot. Good. Delicious. If I must say so myself. Y'all try this. Very good. But like my mom would always say, fisherman don't call his own fish stink. So you catch it. But try it, y'all, and let me know. Remember to share. If everybody share, a lot of people will know how to do this potatoes and sausages and shrimp. Just keep on praying. The Lord is nigh. Just keep on praying. He'll hear your cry. The Lord has promised. Thanks for joining another episode of Cooking with Pumpkin. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you next week.